welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here is our new video. Our today's video is about best driftwood wall lighting ideas. If you are looking for unique driftwood lighting ideas for your home walls, look no further than feminine lighting. Driftwood lighting fixtures are made from powder coated aluminum that won't rust or corrode. These decor ideas can add a beautiful look on your wall, on your outdoor and your indoor. The LED bulb inside these driftwood provide a warm glow and a cozy atmosphere. Driftwood lighting is a popular choice for those who want to add a rustic charm to their home. With so many options available, how you can decide your area. One of our favorite way of use lighting in wall art, especially with driftwood light fixture. These unique pieces are perfect for adding a rustic style anywhere in your home. Surprise your guest with soft, elegant scone install as a pair of in the wall or a bedroom wall. These antique gold leaf base and white shade nicely contrast the rustic wood texture. It is a unique option if you are looking for driftwood lighting texture ideas. Driftwood is a versatile material that is fantastic for various design accessories, including light fixture. We hope these driftwood lighting ideas spark inspiration for your further design projects to take your interior to the next level. For added texture on color, consider painting or standing driftwood pieces with darker color to match other furniture in the room. You can also go for lighter shade if you want a beachy space. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here, and do subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Which one is right for you? When pursuing driftwood light ideas, you must consider the look and feel you want to achieve. For example, if you are going to add a touch of nature and warmth to your interior, optionally for natural material like wood. If you want something more modern, optional for metal or glass. Watch on our top-notch driftwood lighting fixture to decorate your home. All of these products from lighting are made with high quality material that has lasted for years, so you can't go wrong with any of these options. Lighting is one of the easiest way to cultivate a comfortable ambience to your home. It's also a fantastic way to alter the mood within any space, whether you want it to feel warm and cozy, bright,